Okay, so now we have this table with us. Based on this table, we have made an analysis and processed with the kind of in sales dashboard. Like I actually asked the GP to help me with the sales data, and based on that, I've performed the analysis. So let's continue with the first thing. Here, like I have done the step one. Second part was like creating a summary of a pivot table, where I need to find the total sales by region, total sales by product, and monthly sales trend. So I've used in pivot table, and before from doing a pivot table, we have formatted the table, right? Like using a table format, we have formatted the table, and now it is in a table format. So let's process with this. um, Here we have selected the complete table, and then we have inserted a pivot table to it, and sheet 2 has been generated. Based on sheet 2, we can just adjust the rows and columns. Like we have taken date to the rows, and we have taken sales to the values, and we have group it by. The reason it's not taking a group by because it's in date format, but not to worry, we have other options also. So let me check. Okay. Okay. Now we are with the third part. Now we have came up with the solutions: total sales, total region, and all the details are here with us. So total sales, we have taken it out in this format using the sum of sales data. Total unit sales, we have taken again sum of total unit sale. Total top region is east. The reason we have used an index and match function, and finally we have come out with the end option, that is a top product was the product B. But before processing with the product B, I have made few of analysis over here using an index match again. So I'll make few of the changes to it, and we'll be done. So that's all at my end. Thank you.